Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Cody English.
Hey, Cleo. I am so excited for today because we are talking about something that is a massive headache for me and everyone listening.
You mean the no time problem?
Exactly. I want to learn English, but I work 8 hours a day. I have to cook, I have to sleep, and I want to see my friends.
It feels impossible to find a big block of time to study, doesn't it?
It really does. I feel like I need to sit at a desk for 2 hours with a heavy book, or I'm not really learning.
That is exactly the mistake we are going to fix today, Cody.
Wait, so I don't need to sit at a desk for 2 hours?
Not at all. Today, you are going to learn how to turn your busy workday into an English classroom without even trying.
That sounds like a dream come true, or maybe a secret cheat code for life.
It is. By the end of this episode, you will have a plan to grow your English skills even if you work 60 hours a week.
I love that. And if you want to upgrade your English fluency every week with us, make sure to subscribe and like the Cody English right now.
Yes, join our community so we can help you get better every single day.
Okay, Cleo, I'm ready. I have my coffee and my notebook. Give me the first secret.
The first secret is dead time.
Dead time, like ghosts?
No, not ghosts. Dead time is the time during your day when your body is busy, but your brain is free.
Oh, like when I'm washing the dishes or driving my car.
Exactly. Most people just listen to music or think about their problems during those times.
That is true. I usually just worry about my boss during my commute.
Instead of worrying, that is the perfect time for active listening.
Wait, I know this one. Active listening means I have to repeat what I hear, right?
You got it. If you are in your car alone, you can shout English words as loud as you want.
I do that anyway, but usually they are not nice words when someone cuts me off in traffic.
Let's try to use useful English instead. Cody, imagine you are listening to a podcast about grocery shopping.
Okay, I'm listening. The person says, I need to buy some milk.
Now, don't just listen, repeat it with the same emotion.
I need to buy some milk. Like that?
Perfect. But many students struggle here because they think they need to understand every single word.
But if I don't understand the words, how am I learning?
You are training your ears to hear the music of English. The rhythm and the sounds are just as important as the meaning.
So it's like a song. I can hum along until I know the lyrics?
Precisely. Cody, let's try a quick quiz for our listeners right now.
Great idea. Everyone, listen closely. Pause the podcast and type your answer in the comments right now.
If you have 15 minutes on the bus and 10 minutes washing dishes, how much dead time study did you just do?
15 plus 10, that's 25 minutes.
Exactly. And 25 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Wow, that is almost 3 hours a week just from chores. I feel smarter already.
You should, but there is another way to use your work time, Cody.
Tell me, is it related to my computer?
It is. Think about your phone and your computer. What language are they in?
They're in my native language. It's easier that way.
That is a missed opportunity. Cody, this is a secret tip. Change your phone settings to English today.
But what if I get lost in my own phone? What if I can't find my camera?
You already know where the buttons are by memory. Your brain will start seeing the English words for things you already use.
So instead of settings, I see settings instead of my word.
Exactly. You learn words like display, brightness, and notifications without even trying.
I'm going to try that, but I'm scared I will accidentally delete my photos.
You won't. It's all about immersion. You are surrounding yourself with the language.
I like that. It's like I'm living in London, but I'm actually just at my desk in my office.
Exactly. And speaking of your desk, do you use Post-it notes?
I have them everywhere. They're like little yellow birds on my monitor.
Use them for English, but don't just write the name of the object.
Wait, why not? I was going to write monitor and stick it on the screen.
Many students struggle here because they only learn nouns. Write a full sentence or a verb.
So instead of coffee cup, I should write I drink coffee.
Even better, write I am sipping hot coffee.
Sipping. That's a good word. Like a small drink?
Yes, see? You just learned a new vocabulary word because of a post-it note.
This is amazing. I'm actually learning while we are talking about learning.
That is the best way to do it.
But Cleo, what about my boss? I can't look at post-it notes when he's talking to me about reports.
Actually, your boss is your best English teacher, and he doesn't even know it.
Wait, my boss? He doesn't speak English. He only speaks about deadlines and meetings.
But you can think about those deadlines and meetings in English, Cody.
Oh, so when he says, finish this by Friday, I say it to myself in English?
Exactly. Translate his instructions in your head as he speaks.
Finish the report, email the client, don't be late.
Perfect. This is internal dialogue, and it is the most powerful tool for busy people.
I love that. It's like a secret game I'm playing while I work.
It is. You aren't losing any time because you are already sitting in the meeting.
That is a total cheat code. I usually just doodle on my paper during meetings.
Instead of doodling, write one English word that describes the meeting.
Boring. Can I write boring?
If it is true, yes, but maybe try productive or urgent too.
Urgent. That's a great word. It means I need to do it right now, right?
Exactly. Many students struggle here because they try to translate every single word their boss says.
Yeah, that sounds impossible. My boss talks way too fast.
Don't try to be a translator. Just try to find the key words.
Keywords, like the main ideas?
Yes, if he says, we need to increase sales by 10%, what are the key words?
Increase and sales?
Spot on. If you know those two words, you understand the whole meeting.
This makes me feel so much better. I always felt guilty for not opening my textbook at work.
Guilt is the enemy of learning, Cody. Your job is a gold mine of English.
A gold mine. I'm going to go digging for some English gold today.
I love that energy. But let's look at another dead time spot. Lunch break.
Ah, my favorite time of the day. But I usually just scroll through social media.
That is the perfect time for a micro lesson.
Micro lesson? Does that mean it's very small?
Only 5 minutes. Cody, this is a secret tip. Follow one English teacher on social media.
Just one? I follow like 50 and I never watch their videos.
That's the problem. Too much noise. Choose one you like and watch one video during lunch.
Okay, I can do that. One 5-minute video while I eat my sandwich.
And here is the trick. Comment on the video in English.
What should I say? Good video?
Try to use one word from the video in your comment.
Oh, so if they teach the word excellent, I write, this video was excellent?
Exactly. Now you are not just a consumer, you are a producer.
I am a producer. I feel like a movie director now.
You are the director of your own education.
I like that. Okay, listeners, it's time for our second quick question.
Ready, everyone? Pause and type your answer in the comments right now.
If you work 5 days a week and do a 5-minute micro lesson every lunch, how many minutes is that per week?
Give them a second to do the math, Cody.
5 times 5, that's 25 minutes. Another 25.
See? It adds up so fast. You are already at nearly an hour of study without touching a book.
This is crazy. I've been complaining about time for years and it was right there.
It's always there. You just have to look for the gaps.
The gaps, like the space between two things?
Yes, the gap between meetings, the gap while the coffee machine is running, the gap while you wait for a file to download.
I spend a lot of time waiting for my computer to restart. That's a big gap.
Use it. Keep a small stack of vocabulary cards near your keyboard.
I can look at one card every time the computer is slow?
Why not? It takes 10 seconds to read one card.
I could learn 10 new words a day just from my slow computer.
Exactly. Your slow computer just became your best friend.
I never thought I would say this, but I can't wait for my computer to crash.
Let's not hope for a crash, but let's be ready for it.
Okay, I'm ready. But Cleo, what about after work? I'm so tired.
Being tired is the biggest challenge, but I have a low energy strategy for you.
Low energy. That sounds perfect for me at 6 p.m.
We will talk about the sleepy student method next.
I am definitely a sleepy student. Tell me more.
The sleepy student method is all about relaxation and repetition, Cody.
Does that mean I can learn English while I sleep? Please say yes.
Not exactly while you sleep, but right before you close your eyes.
Oh, I usually just watch funny cat videos until I fall asleep.
Many students struggle here because they try to study grammar when their brain is tired.
Yeah, that makes me want to cry, not study.
Instead, try passive immersion with a TV show you already know in your own language.
Wait, so I watch a show I've already seen, but in English.
Exactly. You already know the story, so you don't have to work hard to understand.
So if I know Friends really well, I can watch it in English?
Perfect. Your brain will relax because it knows what happens next.
I will hear the words and connect them to the story I already know.
Cody, this is a secret tip. Turn on the English subtitles too.
English audio and English subtitles? Isn't that too much?
It's the best way. You hear the sound and see the word at the same time.
It's like a double attack on my brain. I love it.
A friendly attack. It helps your spelling and your listening together.
I can definitely do that for 20 minutes before bed.
And the best part, you aren't studying, you are just relaxing.
I feel like I'm cheating the system, Cleo. Is this legal?
It's 100% legal and 100% effective.
Okay, let's do a high-speed review of everything we learned today.
Ready? First, we talked about dead time.
That's the time when my body is busy but my brain is free, like driving or cleaning.
Then we had active listening during that time.
Repeating what I hear with emotion. I need to buy some milk.
Exactly. Then the phone swap.
Changing my phone settings to English so I see words like settings and display.
Next were the post-it notes at your desk.
Writing full sentences like, I am sipping hot coffee, not just one word.
Then my favorite for the office, internal dialogue.
Thinking in English during boring meetings and finding key words.
Don't forget the micro lesson at lunch.
Watching one 5-minute video and leaving an English comment.
And finally, the sleepy student method.
Cleo, you just turned a busy workday into a 5-star English course.
I really did. I don't feel like I have no time anymore. I have hidden time.
That is a beautiful way to say it. You found the hidden gaps in your day.
I'm going to start with the phone settings right now, as soon as I find where settings is.
Good luck, Cody. I know you can do it.
Thanks, Cleo. And for everyone listening, we have one final question for you.
We want to know your dead time secret.
Which part of your workday is the best time for you to practice English? Is it the commute, lunch, or your chores?
Type your answer in the comments and let's help each other find more hidden time.
See you next time on the Cody English.
Bye, everyone.